Hello, I am Dr. Vandana. I'm a practicing dermatologist in Trivandrum, Kerala. Today I'm going to discuss about chemical peeling, which is a very famous and common procedure nowadays, done in mostly all dermatology and cosmetology setups. Chemical peeling is a superficial controlled exfoliation of the skin, which is done using acids which are derived from plants in the form of solutions, creams or gels, leading to removal of the superficial layer of the skin, which is consisting mainly of dead cells or the pigment cells. It comes in varying strength like 5%, 10%, 15 and so on. The strength of peel is decided by the dermatologist seeing your skin condition. There are many indications for which we do chemical peeling. The most common are acne, acne scars, post-acne pigmentation, fine lines, tanning, melasma, and photoaging. So broadly, if we see which peel is used at which indication, if for dullness, for glow, glycolic peels are used. For acne, for blackheads, whiteheads, mostly salicylic acid peels are used. For open pores, fine lines, wrinkles, TCA peels are used. And for post-acne pigmentation, dark spots, lactic acid peels, kojic acid peels and phytic acid peels are used. If we see the procedure, it's a simple lunchtime procedure with minimal downtime. You can come in your office hours, break time and get it done. It starts with washing your face and then removing all the makeup you have been wearing, then degreasing the face and sealing the corners of your face, which includes around the corner of eyes, nose and mouth. Then a chemical peel is applied for the desired contact time and then neutralization. Then a layer of moisturizer and a last layer of sunscreen is applied and you are good to go back to your work. During chemical peel, you can feel mild tingling sensation which usually lasts for few seconds to minutes. There can be mild redness or erythema on your face which is self-limiting and can last for few hours. Usually on third day of peeling, you can feel slight peeling of your skin. That is, you can feel little dryness, which is again self-limiting, or you can easily camouflage it with moisturizer and foundation. So what do you expect when a chemical peel is done? There are many myths about it. Most common is these are corrosive acids. No, they are very safe non-toxic acids which are derived from sugarcane, fruit or winter grains. Some people say it is to be done only once. This has sessions and sessions depend on the skin condition, again decided by your dermatologist that how many sessions per individual are needed. Then people feel that it is only for aggressive skin conditions, which is not true. A milder skin condition like pigmentation, acne, post-acne pigmentation can also be treated with chemical peeling. Then people feel it has a very long downtime. It is not true except for the deeper peels which are usually not attempted on Indian skin. So my message to you will be, do not attempt chemical peeling at home. Always meet your dermatologist and get it done at a dermatology setup only. Do not get them done at salon or a parlor. So go ahead, meet your qualified dermatologist and peel those marks away. Take care.